Hello friends, Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to share with you my November update of my garden. So this is how my garden is in November. First of all, in November during these 15 days I have harvested some govas I have harvested, and see still so many are there here. So many are coming up already again here. You can find some govas on this tree, and these are still there pending for me. And next one, ajwain also I can harvest. I'm going to harvest now, and make powder out of this. Okay, I want to make powder out of this these leaves and use them wherever I want them to be used. Okay, and next what I'm going to harvest today, I'm having and want to harvest is this these leafy vegetables and amaranthus I'm having. So these leafy vegetables, leaves I can harvest today. I'm going to harvest and show it to you. And next what I have harvested is these leaves. I have made powder out of this in this month. Okay, there's a lot of leaf coming. There was a lot of leaf, and I have cut them, and I have used this for making powder. So even these ladies fingers also I'm going to harvest. See here, you can find some of them. I have got some ladies fingers, and next what I have is these, yeah, taro roots. I'm so happy that I have this for harvest now. These taro roots are ready for me for harvest this time. I see here you can find. I'm so happy that I have this. I'm able to grow this in my plant, in my garden. Okay, see here. So these are the roots I have. So many roots have come, and yeah, I'm going to remove this today. And next what I'm having is in my garden now for harvest is what I'm having. No, chickus I didn't harvest, but here you can find one, custard apple. So custard apple I'm going to remove it today. So you have removed. And next what I'm having is what I'm having now. You can find a big one here. See here. See here, you can find one guava, but I'm not going to remove this. I want to wait for 2-3 days more so that it will be more nice ripen. It's, I think. So next what is there in my garden? This is the update of November. See, tomatoes are coming up. Tomatoes, I mean the flowers only. I didn't harvest till now. Tomato flowers are coming up. So many flowers are coming up, and I have a few tomatoes plants here and there. I have, see here, you can find one here, and one more plant is somewhere I have found somewhere here. And next what I have is these brinjals I have harvested a lot. See here, you can, today I'm going to remove all these brinjals. See here, these brinjals I'm going to harvest today. All these brinjals I'm going to remove because some of them are still coming. Some are coming up, so that yeah, still there are still so many are there. They'll be coming up. Okay. So brinjals I'll be removing, and one cucumber is there. Here, small small cucumber is there. Here I am having small cucumber here, and next some ivy gourds are there. See here, where are these? Here, you can find these ivy gourds. I have 6 or 7 like this here. Only a few are there. I have to take more care for this plant. Yeah, I have 6 or 7. I have seen here. You can see here. You can see here. I have some 6 or 7 on this plant. If I take more care of it, I can get a better crop like. And next what I'm having is I have harvested so many ridge gourds like this in this during these 15 days in this November. So, and lots of flowers also I'm getting. See here, you can see so many flowers are hanging in my garden. So, and next all these plants I have transplanted them. I have shown you, I think. And they see here some small flowers are there on this apple bear. You can find some flowers, and I think fruits are also coming up. You can see them, I think where I think I can get these. And this is the table lemon plant. And even in this plant also, so many flowers are also coming up. I have another plant here. I will show you. Just come along with me, and you here see here, and see here I have this plant here with so many flowers. After that I brought from the nursery, only so many flowers are coming on this. You can find so many flowers and fruits on this also. Okay, and next anjeer, I have taken few of them, and still I am having some of them on the plant. Okay, you can find anjeer also here you can find here. Okay, like this. This is the yeah, I have an star fruit also to be harvested. I can harvest this star fruit also. See here, so nice it is. You can find this. I love this fruit so much. See here, if it is yellow in color, then I love it. If it is greenish, then it's ripened now, so it's okay. When it gets ripe, it will be very nice for us to eat. Okay, so this is the state of the star fruit. Even down also I have one. And apple bear is there. Then jamun. This is a gulab jam plant. This on this I think it will take some time. And this is ramafal. And this see here, some new leaves are coming on this. So I think it will take some 6 months or something like that to get the fruits on this. Okay, and yeah, this is the state of our of my garden. This is the state of my garden. And one this ash gourd I have down. Ash gourd is growing, that is coming up in my garden, down garden. That also I have some lady's fingers to be harvested today. So all these I'll be harvesting, and once in a while I will be getting something or the other. Every day, every 2-3 days I'll be getting some something or the other. Not much, but something or the other I will be getting. And I'm very happy because this during this time, see here, means during this COVID time, I needn't go outside and get these vegetables and all. Even these green beans I am getting. See here, you can find there on the top. On the top you can find some there. You can find there. I have harvested these also recently, and long beans also I have harvested. I removed all the plants now, and I want to make it again fresh like. That is why I have pulled off all the plants from here. Okay, then this is the update of my garden of November. Here so many other I didn't see here. See here. I didn't see really. I didn't see these. See how cute they are. So they are growing up. Okay. See here, 4 are there, and they are enough. 4 and 6 or 7 are there. It's okay. I can make something out of it. Here also some small chutkis coming here. Then I am so happy. Here also is there. I didn't see. I was just thinking only 4-5 with 4-5 what I can do with these 4-5. I was thinking. I have some brinjals also. I am going to harvest them off today. So for 2-3 days I will be having these vegetables. Then I can enjoy these vegetables here. I am very happy because yeah. What I want to say is, during this time this small garden which I am having has given me a lot of vegetables, and I am very happy that I needn't go outside also. Okay, I feel that all of you should start gardening and enjoy the benefit out of it. It's not very difficult. If you start, then you will have the enjoyment. While you enjoy, you will be doing you will feel that you have to do more and more on the concentrate more and more on that. Okay, that's what I want to say. And if you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get my next notifications. And thank you and bye.